Good afternoon, this is Chris Brecher with the Simpler Options free video. What's today about? Has to do with indexes that are correlated in some way. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, I'm trying to do the most simplistic way to try to make money for everyone. So the first thing I wanted to show you is if similar big indexes go to all-time highs, usually the other ones do. Say the NDX. New high, like you see in here. So, right there. I mean, barely, but yeah, it matters. So you see it's all the way to new high. So that means the SPX theoretically should go up to 48.39. So if I move this a little, that's right there. I mean, it's close to that. Real close. Right there. Like 48.06. That's why I don't want to mess with the ES on the downside. If I play anything on the downside, it's going to be what's already achieved its upside objective. On the other hand, we're still looking at longs in Russell stocks. So Russell's nowhere near these highs over here. Nowhere near it. So just keep that in mind. That's why a lot of the small stocks, we're still looking, believe it or not, for long ideas. So a lot of things I'm watching to see if they catch up. Now, a lot of the other things we're doing is this. So I showed you with TradingView, but I also want to show you with this. Here's Thinkorswim. And what I want to show you in here is a simple scan. So all I'm doing in here is I'm trying to take stocks that have this. And all I'm doing is try to find bull flags in this type of environment of Russell stocks, because it's the Russell stocks that haven't caught up. Now, it's real hard to chase a lot of Russell stocks, but I'll show you one that we were doing, ABCL. As you see, ABCL over here had these bull flags, and if you put it on an hourly, look at those beautiful bull flags. So what I'm doing is trying to find a tightness of consolidation while this was over the 50 moving average in the first place. So we reversed engineered and we went back and looked at where ABCL had a contraction of volatility signified by a squeeze. Now, I don't use squeezes just to buy squeezes. I use squeezes to scan for bullish patterns or bearish. So if you put ABCL in here, you're going to see that it had that right here on an hourly chart. Look at all those bull flags. Right up here. Bull flags, squeezes. So it would have popped up on a squeeze scan as long as it's in an uptrend on a daily, which it is. So reverse engineer. The problem is that so many stocks have gone up that if something has a bull flag, by nature, it's underperforming. But you get the catch-up trade. So let's go into it, and I'll show you what we're doing. All I'm doing in here is I'm taking all stocks. Now, we could take just the Russell stocks, no doubt about it, because it's the Russell that's underperformed. So we could take last between 5 and 50 of Russell stocks. So we're going to go and we're going to take public. We're going to take the Russell 2000. That's the RTY. We're going to take open interest of at least 4,000. And we're taking stocks between 5 and 50. We're trying to be reasonable. We could take a $1 stock, but they get real risky at that age and that price. 1 hour squeeze. Volume average 300,000 and the close at least 1% above the simple moving average. When you put that in, you have 42 stocks. So that doesn't mean you have to buy 42, but you have to then go through every one. So if you want to pause this video, you'll see this is just a scan that are 8 million ways to look at it, but you still need me to find which ones to do in which option series. But I just want to show you that's one way we're doing it, of reverse engineering and trying to find some bull flags. Take care. Have a great night. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Chris Brecher, and I'm Senior Managing Director of Stocks at Simpler Trading. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like our content, please leave us a like and a comment down below. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell notification icon so you never miss any of our great new content coming out. Good trading, and we'll see you at the next video. Take care.